We went with this centralized model, what we call a centralized model, pretty much from day one. It's been a struggle. It's something that is new to me. I've never managed a program like this. We saw the need and we make changes daily. It's nothing that we have ironed out that is just perfect. We change things pretty much every month until we feel like we're making the small changes, the small things necessary, and it's working. It is working, but like you said, I mean, our portfolio is pristine for that. We're in the perfect situation for that. And if we continue to grow in the upstate of South Carolina and surrounding areas, we can continue to have this model.
What are some lessons that you learn in the process? What are some wins that you want to share? Like, what are some things that are actually going super great with this model? I'd like for you to share because there's just like a massive interest out there for a program like you running. I'd like for others to have the opportunity to hear some feedback from someone that's actually doing it.
Some of our wins are the fact that we're able to spread our talent out. They're not confined to one specific space. We have teams that are really good with HVAC. They tend to handle most of those AC calls. And so it frees the other teams up to go and handle the plumbing calls or the electrical calls or leaks or turns. One of the good wins is that we're able to just kind of balance our team out. We are a team. Having that talent throughout our entire portfolio instead of just one property or two properties is key. Another win for us is because we are not staffing the properties in the traditional sense, in the traditional way, and because we have such a diverse group, a diverse knowledge group of individuals, we can pay a little bit more than maybe what some other individuals are accustomed to or other properties are paying. We can attract good talent because of our model. Resident satisfaction is high because we're sending qualified people out the first time. My big saying around our company and around our team here is if you don't have time to do it right, when will you have time to do it again? We try to do everything right the first time, so we're in and out once.